African Apostolic Church of Apostle of Africa, number 8, Jefferson Road, Logan Park, Hatfield, Harare. We invite you in the name of Jesus Christ, who commissioned his servant Ernest Paul Masha of Africa, to the African Apostolic Church Northern Cape District Gathering to be held from Friday, 17th of September to Sunday, 19th of September 2021 at Jerusalem Angels Crash, Eppington, Northern Cape, South Africa. The sick are healed and the people are taken out of all troubles. Mark 16 verse 15. For more information, please feel free to contact the African Apostolic Church Northern Cape District Executive on the numbers imaging on the screen. As we prepare to go to the Holy Communion, be blessed with a blood song sounding in the background.